Shout out to Michael. So, y'all, my marketing director is on our live. How dope is that? Michael is so dope. Michael changed my life from the UK. So, Michael is a well-known name in our house. But he did change my life. He changed me from being a mom and pop brand to a real brand. His ideas just flourish and we gel so well, y'all. And we have been working together going on 2 months, and my business have went
skyrocket
since I met him. When I hired Michael, it was just to, can you fix my website so it don't look like I made it? And we went from that to, hey, let's talk about Facebook marketing and how to market and market ads and how to do it the correct way, because you're wasting money. And I was like, oh my God, okay. And he is who really came in and changed my whole outlook for business and how to do it.
So basically,